So 2003 Nissan Maxima, and I've come to find out that it doesn't really matter what type of Maxima, GE, GLE, SE. The motor started putting, and kind of like it had lost power, and the steering wheel was shaking a little, and my check engine light came on immediately, and every once in a while it flashed. Well, I had it plugged in, and what it was the number one coil pack. What I mean by had it plugged in is I took it to any basic, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Advanced Auto Parts, whatnot, and they can plug their diagnostic machine right into your car underneath the seat. And the coil packs are basically these things right here that go on top of the spark plugs. The spark plugs are down inside those holes. And then these things sit on top, the ignition coil packs. In the Maxima, the cylinders are cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, cylinder 5, cylinder 6. So I picked up a new number 1 coil pack, and the reason why I didn't replace them all is because that was $75 for just the one coil pack. And it looks really self-explanatory. You clip it on, just unclip this little thing here, and then clip it on, and then put the new spark plug in, tighten it down a little bit, not too tight, and then set this thing on top of it, and then secure it here. So, that is the diagnosis, and I will let you know if it works or not.